how do you know if you have enough research experience to get into grad school? I'm a college professor and clinical psychologist, and this is one of my most commonly asked questions, and it makes sense because with research you always hear more is better, get as much as you can, but at some point you have to stop accumulating research experience and apply to grad school. So how do you know when you've hit that point? The answer is going to depend on the kind of program that you're applying to. So if you are looking at most master's or PsyD programs, you need a little bit of research experience. Like conducting a research project in a seminar in your class is probably good enough. Working for maybe a semester or two on a professor's research project in their lab, for example, is also something that's nice to have in those contexts, but it is not necessary most of the time. For master's and PsyD programs, what they really want to see is more of that applied experience. So have you done an internship? Have you done community service in settings that are similar to the kinds of settings that you're trying to work in with your degree? For PhD though, what we usually want to see is at least 2 years of working in at least 2 research labs. So you want at least 2 years, 2 or more settings. And we do typically like to see a conference presentation or 2. You do not need publications to get into PhD programs or any of these programs. They are nice to have, but they are not necessary. PhDs also often like to see that you did an honors thesis, so consider doing that your senior year. If you've already graduated and you didn't do it, that's okay. It's not necessary. It's just nice to have. So master's in PsyD, a bit of research, but more on the applied side of things. PhD, we do want a good amount of research. Your professors can also help guide you in this, so they can look at your overall application package, including how much research you've gotten, and tell you how competitive an applicant you are likely to be.